If you're trying to schedule a message inside of Telegram, let me show you the way that you use its built-in feature. Welcome back to this new guide video on how Genic. The way that you schedule any message is head over to a particular chat where you want to send in the scheduled message, and then either type in a message or select a media that you're trying to send. Once you type in the message or add it in the media that you're trying to send, you can just tap and hold on the send option on the right hand side, and right here you'll see the option called schedule message. This way you'll be able to pick any date and time you want to send this message to, and then once you're done, tap on the send option on the bottom. If you head back, the message that you just scheduled would not be visible. To view or edit the scheduled message, you'll be able to see this calendar icon on the bottom. Just tap on it and it's going to show you all of the scheduled messages that you have inside of this particular chat. You can just tap on the message that is now scheduled and you'll have the option of deleting, rescheduling it, or even editing the message as well. So for example, if you want to reschedule the message, you can change in the date and time and then tap on the send option again. This way the message will be delivered on the exact date and time you've selected. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna be soon back with more videos just like this, so make sure to hit that notification bell.